Imagine waking up with no memory, not even knowing your own name. This is the reality Darrell Powell, a Susquehanna Valley resident, now faces. After being found unconscious in a Florida convenience store, Powell's life took a dramatic turn. A journey to rediscovery. Powell's story began on September 8, when he was discovered in a Wawa store in Orlando. Without any identification, he was initially referred to as John Doe. It was only after more than a week in the hospital that doctors diagnosed him with a brain aneurysm and amnesia, leaving him with a blank slate of his past. I remember being jolted awake in the ambulance, but beyond that, my memories are hazy, Powell shared. It's like I'm trying to piece together a puzzle with missing pieces. But here's where it gets controversial, or at least, intriguing. Powell's ex-wife, Abi Knaub, has stepped forward to help him navigate this challenging journey. Police, using facial recognition software, identified Powell and located Knaub, who divorced him in 2013. I was the only one left, Knaub explained. His parents have passed away, and I'm determined to help him rebuild his life. Knaub's support is crucial as Powell tries to reconnect with his past. We know he graduated from Middletown area high school in 1995 and worked as a photographer. Knaub last heard from him when he was living in Erie. I'm hopeful that we can get him back on his feet, Powell said. Find a job, a stable home, start over, essentially. And this is the part most people miss, Powell's story doesn't end there. In a previous report, it was revealed that he had booked a cruise out of Miami last summer, from August 3rd to 10th. Could this be another clue to his past? A woman from Michigan, who met Powell on that cruise, contacted News 8 but chose to remain anonymous. News 8 connected her with Knaub, hoping to uncover more about Powell's journey to Orlando. The investigation into Powell's case is ongoing, and will keep you updated as more details emerge. In the meantime, you can support Powell's journey by donating to his GoFundMe campaign, link provided below. So, what do you think? Is Powell's story a tragic tale or a testament to the resilience of the human spirit? We'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments.